Hello everyone, this is Star Channel where anyone can learn and grow easily if that person has courage to do that. Our today's topic is GATE. What is GATE? Let me explain it. GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It is an exam that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of various graduate subjects in engineering and science for admission into masters or recruitment by some public sectors like semi-government companies. Now I think you are clear about GATE. So our main objective is here GATE but with electrical engineering only. So if anyone who is interested in electrical engineering and GATE also, that person can see that video because it will be beneficial for it. So let's start with the syllabus of GATE electrical engineering, which is very lengthy, not tough but yes lengthy. So here is the topics which is relevant and mandatory to complete before giving the electrical engineering GATE exam. Okay. So first topic, which is very much critical, very lengthy, very somewhere it's called tough also, because no one can understand mathematics that easily. So first topic is engineering mathematics, which includes linear algebra, calculus, differential equations, complex variables, probability and statistics. These all topics are very common, which is coming previously in electrical engineering GATE. So you must have some idea how you have to solve those questions, those numericals, because you have to clear the GATE. Yeah, I know some of the people know that maths is very easy for them because they are toppers. Next is electrical circuits. Somewhere it's little easy if you have good understanding about the circuits. So in electrical circuits, network elements in which ideal voltage and current sources, dependent sources, RLC, elements, network solution methods, KCL, KVL, node and mass analysis, network theorems, Thevenin's Norton's theorem, superposition, maximum power transfer theorem, transient response of DC and AC networks, sinusoidal steady state analysis, resonance, two-port networks, balanced three-phase circuits, star-delta transformation, complex power and power factor in AC circuit. Power factor is very easy, very common and very much coming subject. Next is electromagnetic field, which is very mandatory subject. In electromagnetic fields, the cover-up topics are Coulomb's law, electric field intensity, electric flux density, Gauss law, divergence, electric field and potential due to point, line, plane, spherical charge distributions, effect of dielectric medium, capacitance of simple configurations, Biot-Savart's law. I heard it first time and even read it first time. Ampere's law, curl, Faraday's law, Lorentz force. This is also a very new word for me. Inductance, magnetomotive force, reluctance, magnetic circuit, self and mutual inductance of simple configurations. Next subject is signals and systems, and the topics which you should have to cover up before going to GATE exam. Representation of continuous and discrete time signals, shifting and scaling properties, linear time invariant and causal system, Fourier series representation of continuous and discrete time periodic signals, sampling theorem applications of Fourier transform for continuous and discrete time signals, Laplace transform and Z transform. Previously, when I had given exams of GATE, I had given 2 times. Then most of the questions were coming from signal and systems. So I think you should have good understanding about this subject. Next subject is power system, in which content is basic concepts of electrical power generation, AC and DC transmission concepts, models and performance of transmission lines and cables, series and shunt compensation, electric field distribution and insulators, distribution systems, per unit quantities, bus admittance matrix, Gauss-Seidel and Newton-Raphson load flow methods, voltage and frequency control, again power factor correction, which was in electrical circuit also, symmetrical components, symmetrical and asymmetrical faulty analysis, principles of overcurrent, differential, directional and distance protections, circuit breakers, system stability concepts, equal area criterion, economic load dispatch with and without considering transmission losses. This is very theoretical part of whole syllabus, but yes, you should have good understanding about it also. Next is control systems. In control system, mathematical modeling and representation of systems, feedback principle, transfer functions, block diagrams and signal flow graphs, transient steady state analysis of linear time invariant systems, stability analysis using Roth-Hurwitz and Nyquist criteria, Bode plots, root loss, lag, lead lag compensators, PI and PID controllers, state space model, solution of state equations of LTI system, RMS, root mean square value, average value calculation for any general periodic waveform. Then next subject is electrical and electronic measurement. In this, the topics which you must have to cover up: bridges and potentiometers, measurement of voltage, current, power, energy and power factor. Power factor gain, instrument transformers, digital voltmeters and multimeters, phase time and frequency measurements, oscilloscope error analysis. Next is analog and digital electronics. This is also very lengthy topic. If you will going to read it out, you will know this how lengthy it is. So the topic which is necessary in this subject is simple diode circuits, clipping, clamping, rectifiers, amplifiers, vising, equivalent circuit, frequency response, oscillators and feedback amplifiers, operational amplifiers, characteristics and applications, single stage active filters, Sallen-Key, Butterworth, VCOS and timers, combinatorial and sequential logic circuits, multiplexers, demultiplexers, Suchmet triggers, sample and hold circuits, A/D and D/A converters. Next subject is power electronics, in which static, VI characteristics, fairing, gating circuits for thyristors, MOSFET, IGBT, DC to DC conversion, DC to DC nahi, it should be DC to AC conversion, there is some mistake, buck boost and buck boost converters, single and 3-phase configuration of uncontrolled rectifiers, voltage and current commutated thyristor based converters, bidirectional AC to DC voltage source converters, magnitude and phase of line harmonics for uncontrolled and thyristor based converters, power factor and distortion factor of AC to DC converter, single phase and three phase voltage and current source, inverter, sinusoidal pulse width modulation. Okay, back to the topic. Let me explain, let me brief it out again. What are the syllabus? First is power electronics, analog and digital electronics, electrical and electronic measurements, control system, power system, electrical machines, which is very lengthy topic, electromagnetic field, signal and systems, okay, and electric circuit and engineering mathematics. You should have good command on engineering mathematics, because without math, engineering, I think impossible. I don't know about other thinking. So let's go on notifications of 2023. GATE electrical engineering. Basically it's GATE, not specifically for electrical engineering, for everyone, every branches. First is release of GATE notification 2023, which has already released on July 27, 2022. GATE registration start date will be August 30, 2022. GATE registration 23 last date will be September 30, 2022. GATE 2023 registration last date with late fees will be October 7, 2022. GATE application form correction date will be November 4th to 11, 2022. GATE admit card release date will be January 3, 2023. And exam date, it's very popular. Every year exams are happening in the month of February around first week. Okay, so it will be on 4, 5, 11 and 12. So you know everything. Response sheet will come at February 15, very soon. Answer key release date will be on 21 February. Answer key challenge date will be 22 February. And aptitude result will be on March 16. Scorecard will be available on March 21. So you know everything now. You can do anything. Just think and visualize what you can do, what you have. You can plan your thing according to that, according to those dates. If you are interested in GATE, then otherwise you have another things to do. So let's see the cutoffs. Not that much high. If you can see, for generals electrical engineering it's only 30.7. For OBC NCL EWS 27.6. For SC ST PWD 20.4 of this year 2022. Let's go on back here. So that time it was 974, highest score, highest marks 85.33 out of 100, and cutoff out of 100 is 30.3, which is almost matching on 2022 on a 2021. Go to the more previous, like 2022. So that time it was 33.4 for general, for OBC 30.0, for SC it's 22.2. That's it. It's very easy to clear GATE. Don't think it's very tough. You can do anything if you have plan, if you have strategy, if you have discipline, and if you have confidence on yourself, and if you want to do that, you can do anything. Thank you so much. This is Star Channel. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you want to say anything, you can comment, and if you want to ask anything, you can comment. Share it if you think it's valuable. Thank you so much.